I got this small wood buffet from Facebook Marketplace for $35. It was in really good condition, except that it had a peculiar odor, maybe related to their cleaning products. It didn't go away after using my lavender detergent, so I ended up giving it 2 coats of clear Dixie Belle Boss, and I even flipped it upside down to coat the entire buffet underneath, and that definitely dissipated whatever that odor was. I used a lot of finishes on this buffet, and I attached a complete list below in the description of the video if you're interested in getting more information. I did have to mix my own pink because I didn't have that dusty pink color on hand. To get this, I used Retique Ivory Tower and Verona Rose, and I darkened it with mud paint Just Black. The legs were Dixie Belle Coffee Bean, and I blended that into Waverly Merlot, which then I blended into the pink. And then the pink was blended into Dixie Belle French Linen, which I think is my favorite Dixie Belle color. After posting a few teaser pics on Instagram and Facebook, the buffet became a commission. This person wanted a dragonfly on it, so I used Spring Dragonfly by Redesign by Prima in their small transfers. I painted stripes on the middle drawer and on the feet with Rustoleum metallic accents in champagne. I used a few stencils on this too. I snuck an elephant into the middle drawer. It's a DIY elephant stencil, but I don't think this is related to DIY Paints by Debbie. The color I used on the stencil is Opal Magic by Alchemy. When I clear coated the top, I put a little bit of the Dixie Belle Coffee Bean into it. Then I clear waxed and black waxed the details and around the edges of the drawers to bring it all together.